If you want to make sure you never miss a post from the people you follow on X, this quick tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on post notifications in X, also known as Twitter, so you can get alerts right away whenever someone you follow posts new content. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want to stay updated with your favorite creators, news accounts, or friends. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Now let's get straight into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. From there, click on More. This opens up additional account options and settings that are not shown in the main menu. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy options, and notification settings. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, click on Notifications. This section controls how and when X sends you alerts. After that, click on Preferences. Inside this menu, you'll find several notification options that let you customize what kind of activity you want to be alerted about. Now click on Push Notifications. This is the area that controls notifications that appear on your device in real time. Here, look for Posts. Toggle Posts on so that you receive push notifications when accounts you follow publish new posts. Once that is enabled, you're all set. You should now start getting notifications from people you follow directly on X whenever they post. This is especially useful if you want to stay on top of updates without constantly checking the app. And that's it. Quick, simple, and done in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one.